crypto mining at home, crypto mining for beginners. So in a nutshell, this is an ASIC miner. We got it mining. This one mines Cadena. This one mines CKB Nervos. This gold one mines ETC. And the white one in the back mines Brimcoin. This one's mining helium. IoTs. I'm sorry, they switched over to another native coin. Now, one of the hardest parts about crypto mining is doing the maintenance. So as far as like, you gotta like stop operation. At that time you're not making no passive income, but then you gotta take these screws out, take the fans out, disconnect everything, and then you gotta clean all that dust from inside the machine. That's about like the hardest part about the crypto mining as far as these type of machines. Now this machine, they don't collect no dust like the ASIC ones do, but these sometimes, you know, they'll have problems too. Like you gotta like update firmware or update memory cards, so take that into consideration too, guys. This is a computer power supply with a, I forgot the name of this piece, but this is an outdoor helium IoT miner. So yeah, but it's possible. Anybody can get into this type of thing. You could either buy them new or you could buy them used. Whatever you're in the mood for, guys. But in the winter time, it's a free source of heat, so it's not bad. It works. We're making it work. We're making it count day in and day out. Stay tuned, guys. Razi Grove. Like and subscribe.